Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your WeChat's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your WeChat's account, firstly go ahead and open up your WeChat application. The homepage of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Click on Me button at the bottom right corner of the page. You'll end up on your profile section of WeChat's account. Click on Settings. On the next page, tap on Logout option. Confirm logging out of your account by tapping on Logout once again. This is how you can log out of your WeChat's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.